Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Richelove and I'm back with another video. As you can see, you're about the title. This is going to be an Amazon wig review. This is from a company called Beauty, Love and Youth, and I'm wearing their deep wave lace wig 13 by 4 and 22 inches. As you can see, it came with lashes. Those are not my style. I would not wear them. The curls were really pretty straight out the box, but it did not stay like this after I washed it. And here I'm going to be checking for shedding, which I did notice some shedding. Okay, as you can see, this unit comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back and 1 in the front. And it also comes with an elastic band, which I really loved. I wish all units came with an elastic band already. This wig also claims that it is pre-plucked. As you can see, it's not really plucked that much, but you can go ahead and pluck it yourself. The parting space look really good. As you can see, you don't really need to bleach the knots. So this is the wig after I washed it. Here I think I was looking for some baby hairs. So here I was trying to style the unit on the mannequin, but then I realized it's best to style it on my head instead. Here is a close-up of the hairline. I did pluck it just a little bit. I don't even think you can tell the difference because I didn't want to pluck too much. So here I'm about to lay the wig. Look at the part, you guys. It looks really good. And I didn't even have to bleach the knots. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but this wig is 150 density. And make sure you guys watch this whole video so you guys get to see like a quick update on this wig. Okay, so this was actually my first time cutting my lace after I glue it on. I usually cut the lace first and then glue it on, but I honestly think this way is better because you really get to cut the lace to match your actual hairline. So this is gonna be my new way of cutting my lace. Get right into this wig. So I'm done. I basically used the Got2b to, you know, lay it down and stuff like that. All right, like I'm loving this curl. Like this is deep wave, but this is giving me water waves vibes. Just look at how, ooh, I'm like really, I love this hair so far because I've only had this hair for less than 24 hours. So far I did experience shedding when I was washing it, and I did experience shedding when I was brushing it, but it's small shedding, not like a lot of shedding. So but that's to be expected with curly hair, so you're gonna have some shedding. There's no such thing as hair that doesn't shed. So really give you guys a final review because I've only had this wig for a day. I am going to come back in a couple of months so I can show you guys how this wig is holding up, and you guys get to really see how this wig is. But so far I'm liking it. You know, the lace kind of laid fine for me. I didn't have a problem with it really. I could put it behind my ears. Okay, it took a while to, you know, get it, you know, cut this part, but I got it, so that's all that matters. I wish it was like 180 density. It would have been like really full, just the way I like it, but it's not, but it's still fine. And another thing I like about this wig is that it is black. Usually virgin hair comes in like in a dark brown, but this is jet black. I really love this. I really love the fact that it's jet black. I love how like the curls, the hair is so soft. It didn't have any smell or anything like that. Yeah, but this is it, you know. This is the hair. Like it's really pretty. It's really soft. But this is day one, so of course it's gonna be soft and stuff like that. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. If you're interested in this wig, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can check it out. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Loves, I had to come out here to tell y'all the tea about this wig after wearing this wig for 3 days. My original plan was to come back after a couple of months and do like an update on this wig, but I don't need 3 months because this hair is trash. Okay, I installed this hair on Monday. Today's Thursday, so it's been 3 days since I've had this hair, and this hair is not good. Is no bueno. My first issue with this wig, I'm gonna make it quick, that the ends are a different texture than the rest of the hair. The ends are very, very dry, and when I wet it, this get curly, but the ends stay like frizzy. It doesn't curl up. That's my first issue with this wig. My second issue with this wig shed like crazy. Now I know most hair shed, all hair shed, basically all hair shed, but some shed more than others. But this one sheds a lot, like it's crazy. So like I just run my finger through it and I get chunks of hair that's coming out. So I just had to tell y'all this tea before y'all go ahead and spend your money and buy some hair that's not good. I didn't want y'all to go ahead and buy this wig and this hair is not good. You know, maybe I just got a bad unit, but so like from wearing this wig for 3 days, this hair is trash. Do not buy this hair. Okay, I'm gonna return it. And hopefully I get my money back. And yeah, I just had to come out here and tell y'all this hair is trash. So thank you all for watching my video, and I'll see you guys on my next one.